In this video, you'll learn how to add a gallery to the WordPress block editor. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully integrated a gallery into your website, enhancing its visual appeal and engagement. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, locate the Sites option on the main dashboard. This is typically found in the menu on the left side of the screen. After the Sites page appears, you will see a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the site you wish to edit by clicking on its name. This action will redirect you to the site's editing interface where you can make various changes. Next, look for a button labeled Close on the upper right corner of the editing screen. Clicking this button will close any open panels and return you to the main editing area, providing a clearer view of your content. Once you're back in the main editing area, find the plus icon, which represents the option to add new blocks. This icon is usually located at the top or within the left sidebar. Click the plus icon to open the block selection menu, where you can choose various types of content to add. After the block menu opens, locate the search bar at the top of the menu. Click inside the search bar to activate it and type the word gallery. This allows you to filter the available blocks specifically for gallery options. Once you have typed gallery, you will see a list of relevant block options. Click on the gallery block when it appears in the results. This selection will allow you to insert a gallery into your post or page. Now, with the gallery block selected, look for an option labeled Upload an Image. Clicking this will prompt you to choose images from your device. Ensure that the images you select are of appropriate size for web use, as larger files may take longer to upload. Next, a file dialog will open, allowing you to browse your device for images. Choose the images you want to include in your gallery by clicking on each image file. After selecting the desired images, click the Open button to upload them to your gallery. Once the upload process is complete, you will see the images displayed within the gallery block. This visual confirmation indicates that you have successfully added a gallery to your WordPress site. Review the layout to ensure it meets your expectations before finalizing your changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.